So welcome to my channel again friends, and today I am planning to cover some different topic because admissions are almost over. You are into some college, best college, good college, excellent institution, so like that. And many of would have got branches of your choice also, and maybe there would be many who would have not got a branch of their choice. So the trend which is going on right now is like everyone wants to, or most of the students, they want to get into IT. I get messages from people from civil background, mechanical background. I want to get, then they say we want to get into software, so what we should do, how we should proceed and all. I advise them, join some short-term course, learn this language, that language, basic concept and all these things I keep on telling them. But sometimes what happens, I learning something or few of the things in software, sometimes it become very tricky, especially for the people from electrical background. They can also manage up to some extent, but for mechanical and these people, it other branches, it becomes very difficult because they have to study their core branch also. If they are in mechanical, in that they have to study their subject. Civil, they have to their subject, so like that. Okay, now in parallel, if they have to develop some skill which is required for software development, what they should learn, they should learn some programming language, they should learn some methodology. Like, so what I'm going to cover in a series of video, that how to learn those subjects very easily, how to make short note out of that, how to prepare notes and learn those things in most easy way. This is what I will try to do in some of the video, whatever notes I have with me. There is one methodology, or I would say framework, called UML, which is called Unified Modeling Language. If you see at the top, it is there, it says that Unified Modeling Language. Now these notes are the basic of Unified Modeling Language. If you see, there are many pages on this, and I will scan through those pages, and it is helpful to all type of students from all branches. Okay. mm, uh, this is what I intend to do, because now admission, everything is over. I am saying it again because I want to make some video which helps you in preparing notes, preparing for your exams, tutorials, and learn something new. Unified modeling language, it is used in software development. Okay, used in the software development. Let me highlight that, software development. Now, Unified Modeling Language, it is being officially approved by Object Management Group, called OMG. Okay, not oh my god, it is Object Management Group, and it is used for Object Array Oriented Analysis and Design, OOAD. Now, OOAD is one type of methodology in software development where every function, every feature is being considered as an object, and it's being related with a real world object. This is how this complete OOAD concept is being built. And before that, there are some concept like SSAD, called structured system analysis and design, and few more concepts are there. Maybe I'll cover those things in future if I get the notes, my hand written notes I am saying. Now, why object oriented is being used, why it is required? Because these are something, that method which is very real to real time world, very near to real time world. That is the reason. Now, if you see these two, this paragraph, I have tried bringing in some methods which are in use, and what are the disadvantages of those methods. So I mentioned here two. First is your functional modeling and second is data modeling. As I mentioned, functional modeling covers structured analysis, design, flow charts, entity relationship. Entity relationship is also one of the term used generally in the database management system through which data modeling is being done. We prepare model of the database and then convert those data model into database tables, establish relationship means primary relationships through primary key, and all those relationships are there. That also I'll try to cover in database management system, short note I'm saying. And there are some problems which are there as a formal method. These are the formal methods before object oriented. So how they are different, what are the problems? Focus is more on the behavior only or on the data only. Sensitivity to requirement changes. All parts are mutually connected. This is very I would say important and big problem with the structured database, because what happens when all parts are connected, then sometimes it becomes difficult to maintain that particular system or software or application. So if you see the next point, if it is connected part, then there would be maintenance problem, because change in one component, one module will result into change in another module also. So that sometimes it become very difficult, and those things are being handled by change management, and various methods are there in case of software development and all that. Now what are the benefits of object oriented development? Let's see. High correlationship with the requirement, because the type of framework which is being used in object oriented is very near to the end user and user world, and how it is we will see it in some of the slides or notes. Modularity means it is more modular means it's better maintained also. More reuse is possible, less costly maintenance, and easier distribution. So these are some of the basics of unified modeling language. Its benefits, problem, advantage, disadvantage, and all these things I have covered in this small video. In the next video I am going to cover basic concept of object oriented, okay, and I will cover elements needed, all these things I am going to cover as a part of next video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful for you in preparing notes, and I will in next video I will use some flow charts, diagrams, and all these things also. Thank you so much for watching.